How to get dark mode on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video I will simply guide you through the steps on how you can actually get dark mode on Facebook, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you'd actually like to get dark mode on Facebook, all you need to do is just go ahead and actually launch the Facebook app first. Then you'll currently see that this is the interface that it has, right? Because it's on the light theme. So if you want to switch to dark theme, you want to just tap the three lines icon from the bottom right of the screen. Once I tap the three lines icon from the bottom right, I just need to scroll down to the bottom, and then here you'll find the option called settings and privacy. So I'll just tap on settings and privacy, and once I tap on settings and privacy, here I will find the option called settings, right? So all I need to do is just click on settings, but this is not where the dark mode option is. The dark mode option is not inside of settings, but it is right in this drop down menu, because if you look at the bottom here, you can see the moon icon that says dark mode, and this is where the dark mode actually lies at, because you just want to tap on the dark mode option here, and then here you can choose it to match the system theme, or you can also choose it to match a device theme, or you can just select permanent light or permanent dark depending upon whichever theme you want. All you need to do is just select a specific theme. So if you want to switch to dark, select dark mode on, and you can see instantly our Facebook app will be switched to dark mode just like this. And this is simply how you can get dark mode on Facebook. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions though, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.